All right, guys. So we just came across this new product, this new launch. It's called Total PLR Profits, and it's promising to be a game changer with regards to leveraging the power of PLR products. So basically, there we go. We're just gonna do a brief overview as usual. Unleash your profit potential with this cutting-edge private label rice blueprint. Alright, so unlock your personal online gold mine without stress or hard work by leveraging ready-made products and content. Alright, so they're saying that this is a complete system with 4 modules that breaks down every tactic for you in simple terms right on your screen. Professionally produced video lessons that you can follow along. You'll be learning from the internet marketing experts who want to help you and truly care about your success. Each module teaches you the basic concepts and walks you through the steps to execute the process. Includes bonuses, which consists of an ebook, worksheets, audio recordings, and quick reference file. Alright, so let me just try to play this video. I'm gonna refresh this. Alright, cool. Click for sound. Alright, here's the video. Alright, it's gonna anytime now. There you go.
Did you know that you can quickly have your very own highly profitable digital products making you money consistently without the painstaking process of creating them? We're about to put you on the fast track to success. No longer spending weeks or even months to start reaping the rewards of product creating and launching. Instead, you begin with a competitive edge thanks to a secret the top marketers swear by. Introducing Total PLR Profits. This new process will change the game for you. Module 1. Why using PLR to create your own products is the ultimate shortcut. Accelerate your profit journey in the digital marketplace with the vast potential of PLR and this secret tool that gets you to the market faster and smarter.
Sounds good so far. I mean, using PLR to create your own products is ultimate shortcut. It is true. I mean, either use AI to create a digital product, or you create a digital product on your own, or you just leverage the power of PLR for a product in your niche and you could resell it. Low entry barrier. So you want to either, I was listening to a podcast yesterday and this lady was saying that she's made $1 million on the e-store selling digital products, and what she was saying is that she graduated from she went from providing freebies, building an email list of subscribers by offering freebies, and that she made the transition to customers, from a subscriber list of freebie lovers to customers. A customer is anyone who will pull out a card to make a payment for your product or service. So we're looking at $1 from a minimum of $1, to make a purchase. So if you could get PLR, privately right products, and you could resell it for as little as $1, you get customers opening their pockets using their cards to start making purchases. So you're good in that sense.
Module 2. Mastering niche research. Learn the process to strategically select niches with huge hidden profit potentials that you can capitalize on demand. Module 3. Making your product your own. Seamlessly transform PLR content into something distinctively yours, setting you apart from the competition quickly, easily, and profitably. Module 4. Advanced strategies. Maximize your PLR gains with these unique strategies that not only enhance your PLR products, but also ensure they remain bestsellers for years. Total PLR Profits isn't just another course. It's your fastest step to unparalleled online success, tailored for both newcomers and experienced marketers. This is your roadmap to PLR excellence. Act now and we'll include these extra tools free of charge as a bonus to propel your journey even further. The MP3 audios, transcription ebook, worksheets, and presentation slides, everything to set you on the fast track of PLR success.
Okay, so I see where they're going with that. I mean, you could simply join a PLR network and get this product. But I think with the Total Profits, they give you the training and stuff like that. Because, quite honestly, guys, there are videos on the internet. All they talk about is how to make money with digital products. Some use their own products. They leverage their own products. They leverage PLR products and training courses, and they leverage that and they market that in their course on their YouTube videos to get free traffic. send to a sales page, send traffic to the sales page to make a purchase. So basically, this will teach you how to get that done. Alright, so anyone can use a step-by-step online effort system to effortlessly harness the power of PLR material and skyrocket their online success. No experience needed. Alright, so this is the founder. So he's saying, dear future online entrepreneur, I urge to uncover the PLR secrets that can build your digital empire. My name is Matt Via, and if you're anything like me, I know exactly what you've been through in the past with your online ventures, and I know what you're going through. Alright, blah blah blah. Alright, so guys, just click the link in the description to read the full sales letter. Digital product sales are projected to reach 1 trillion over the next few years. Alright, so this is true. That's why this product came out, because there's something as digital products. People are making bank from digital products. The thing about making money from digital products is you need to just find your niche, and you need to market it properly, and you need a traffic source. So either you doing Google ads, Facebook or Instagram ads, or you promoting it on your YouTube channel or Instagram from ManyChat, etc. Alright, so check this out. Growth of the e-learning industry to 107 billion, to 43 billion, to 27 projected growth, 1 trillion. Wow, that's amazing. And you can take advantage of this opportunity even if you have zero experience. Alright, fair enough. So this would teach you how to do that. Finally, discover how to become a product creation expert. Let's see. For vendors, discover how to create high value products in record time. For affiliates, create your own offers and have affiliates work for you. So I see how that would work for me as an affiliate. So I will basically have it as a bonus. So get this with, click this, purchase this product from my link and get those bonuses. So I'll have PLR products as bonuses. So, and the thing about PLR products is that I think there's a limit to the amount available. So not, you won't have unlimited PLRs for a particular topic or product. You'll have, there'll be a limited number so that not everyone could have it, and it'll be to prevent oversaturation and stuff like that. Alright, for agencies, create products for your clients on demand for huge fees. I don't know about the huge fees. For newbies, never struggle with product creation again. Never stress over product creation again, even if you're brand new at this. So it's a foot in the door. It's a good start. It's something I would. I'm gonna jump in on this. Alright, this is my complete course form. I'll just bring on every tactic. Alright, cool. So Oman, Melinda Martin, high level strategies. There should get your hands on Total PLR. It's an investment you regret. John Thornell, Plan SMS. How to. This system is not just an how-to guide. It's a comprehensive strategy that has been invested in the market. Total PLR Profits is your blueprint. I can't recommend it highly enough. Okay. Oh, I love Total PLR Profits. Okay, cool. All the testimonial stuff. So wait, let's see. Here we go. Why using PLR to create your own products is the ultimate shortcut. Find out how to learn how to build solid foundations and apply the correct principles that lay the groundwork for success. Alright, cool. Niche research. Discover how to perform no-nonsense niche selections so you can identify winning offers in minutes, not days. Discover how to source the right kind of PLR material so you can quickly and easily take advantage of the huge amount of PLR content out there. Okay, so it's basically teaching you how to master PLR products to use maximum leverage for PLR products. Making your own product. Alright, fair enough. Learn how to quickly and effectively make your offer 100% unique so that it sells. Advanced strategies. Now it's time to make a game plan to put everything you've learned into practice so you can start making sales. Fair enough. Buy now and receive these bonuses. Bonuses: Total PLR Profit ebook, worksheets, MP audio recordings, presentations. Alright, so sorry about that, guys. So total has retail about 518, but you can get it for a fraction of that limited time offer. Okay, fair enough. Yes, I want in 4 video modules, 297. Okay, special offer 995. Alright, seems safe enough. So I think I'm gonna get this. Alright, guys. So just click the link. I was just about to say you have nothing to lose, but they beat me to it. For real, you got nothing to lose. This is $9. Yeah. Hold on. Let me just duplicate this and use this and go back here. See what they're saying. So yeah, $9, nothing to lose. I think yeah, it's worth it. I mean, all the testimonials and stuff, but I'll have to give my testimonial because so let's be real. So check this out. The way that I use PLRs, as I mentioned earlier, I listening to that podcast with this young lady. I'll pull up her interview. She's making millions in e-com. She was saying that I was basically using PLR products as freebies, as lead magnets. All right, lead magnets are freebies. So, and she was saying basically that to convert an email list, which you grew by giving freebies, aka lead magnets, it's kind of hard to convert them into customers. So she made the transition hard and fast to try to get more customers on the list, create a list of customers, even if it's $1 they spend. So PLRs can be a good way to start building your list. It is an amazing way to start building your list. It is super, because I built my list in the health niche, in crypto, finance, self-help niches. Alright, so give it a try. So check it out. Click the link in the description and give it a try. It's $9. Let me know what you think. Alright guys, that's it. Total PLR Profits. Give it a try. Drop a comment when you buy, and let me know if you've had any success with PLR products. Alright, bye for now guys.